Last month, I went camping with my friends at Jangoi River Lodge, which is located in Palawan. We stayed there for 2 days and 1 night, so in this vlog, I'd like to show you our activities throughout our camping trip and then our journey to a waterfall that follows after the trip.
Merry Christmas. Tidak ada rumah
Open house, huh? Abang-abang.
Food tester.
Alright guys, so we have just finished setting up our tents. Now we are preparing for barbecue. Ada pula orang tu?
Kutin Daud.
Atau ketum.
2 ekor atau 1 ekor je? Cute. Pon coba nak ngalak berapa banyak dah kita kutip?
Dalam lingkungan 50 batang.
50 batang, 10 batang.
50 biji lah.
Brian is working hard to feed his 54 children.
Nothing. Dapat sperm.
As you can see in the video, we prepared a variety of food such as
Ayam pansur, BBQ chicken, sate, ulam timun, paku pakis.
Daun pasus.
Huh?
Daun pasus.
Daun pasus. What's that?
Daun ubi.
Daun ubi. Okay.
ni progress. Oh, mendidih ha. Look at the satay.
Straight from the town.
Straight from the town.
Nice. If you buy one, get to free.
Oh, okay.
But get me free so lah.
After our barbecue dinner, we gathered at our bonfire to just relax and cherish the soothing night. On the next day, we were getting prepared for our trek to a nearby waterfall. But the weather is drizzling for a bit, but I think we can still go for a hike this morning. Before trekking to the waterfall, we had some breakfast to energize ourselves, and then we decided to jump into the nearby river. Look at where we are. Look at this. Guys, so what I have here is a friend who is afraid of the water apparently, but I'm trying to push him to get out of his comfort zone and overcome his fear. Let's see if he can do this.
Go Pablo, you can do this!
Kuat, erat.
Dalam kah?
Tidak.
Rem kakiku.
Okay?
Ya.
Tekan.
Kenapa boleh tak?
Oh, boleh. You go once, you want to go more already.
Boxer keluar tu.
A few hours later, we checked out from Jangoi River Lodge and went to Kampung Bidak to start our journey to the waterfall.
Sebarau ini dia dikenali dengan waterfall Sebarau sebab ikan dulu banyak ikan Sebarau di waterfall itu. Sebarau ikan. Jadi itulah sebabnya diberi nama waterfall Sebarau.
The guide said just now is only about 20 minutes and the trail is quite easy. It's just that it's very slippery right now because of the rainy season. If you want to come here, make sure you wear Adidas Kampung. And then we finally arrived at the waterfall.
Guys, we have arrived. I present to you Sebarau Waterfall.
I was sure it was 2-tier waterfall, but now look at this. I don't think it's 2-tier anymore. This is truly a hidden gem. Finding this waterfall was truly a mesmerizing experience, but finding it with this group of friends made it even more meaningful.
Oh, okay sih. Best sih.
Yeah, best. Gila.
First time kah?
First time.
Yeah.
First time kah? Aduh, luckily we went here.
Luckily si hujan.
Oh, luckily si hujan.
It made me realize that our camping trip and our journey to find a waterfall was more than just a fun adventure.
I think it's a sign of beautifulness. Take a water, ride, relax, chill, clear your mind. I think I enjoyed the trip.
Because for me, it's about the importance of friendship and appreciation for the nature.
It's very pretty because there are so many strangers.
Best ke nak waterfall tak?
First time je.
First time kah?
It also serves as a reminder to preserve and protect the natural world around us.
So, would you recommend to your friends?
Definitely, totally.
Sangat. Setiap jalan it's so nice.
And most importantly, it reminds us to take a moment to appreciate the simple things in life.
Pio, what do you think of the waterfall?